Welcome everybody. We're here for some more pre-release kits. We got another Rivals of Ixalan out of our pack of 6. Let's crack it open, see what we get, see what our promo is, see what our dice is, using this little picker to break through the plastic. The plastic on these pre-release kits is really annoying. And my knife is somewhere, not sure. I really like pre-release. Man, this is heavy plastic. Oh, yep, everything fell. Everything fell on the ground. Alright, let's toss that box in. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, black spin down. Nice, black spin down. What is our promo? Paladin of Atonement. Vampire Knight, beginning of each upkeep. If you lost life last turn, put a 1/1 counter on Paladin of Atonement. When it dies, gain life equal to its toughness. Okay, not too bad. Pretty decent Paladin. All right, let's crack into our packs. I can't remember how I did this last time. I think we're gonna go for the Rivals packs first, and then we'll do the Ixalan packs last. Kind of see what, and we'll sort it by color like we did last time. Let me zoom out. We need a little bit more real estate for this. Nothing too fancy. We'll sort all this by color. All right, uncommon we got Forsaken Sanctuary. It's a good land. Pirate Pillage. Ravenous Chupacabra, very nice. And Radiant Destiny is our white card. And we got some lands and some tokens. All right, black, white, maybe? Choose a creature type, chosen type, so that's very tribal. So, I don't know, maybe not. Definitely like the Ravenous Chupacabra just for the removal anyway. So we got, we got a Sun-Curled Raptor, Moment of Triumph, Negates, okay. Guildgrove Stalker, Ferocious Vampire, Vampire, Strider, Waterknot, Boom, Dinosaur, little sorcery actions, some, wait, yeah, Dinosaur. Oh, we got a foil. Oh, okay, Mastermind's Acquisition, so we could use, yeah, we could use this for something. Set that in the black pile. Flip card, Profane Procession. Okay, looks like we're going white-black so far. Exile target creature, if there are 3 or more cards exiled with Profane Procession, flip it, and it becomes Tomb of the Dust Rose. 1 mana of any color, put a creature in exile. Put a creature card exiled. Okay, yeah, cool. All right, so that's we don't have multicolored yet, so there we go. There's our multicolored and our flip token. If I was opening this right now, I'd be kind of looking at black-white, kind of, just because with our lands and just, you know, our rares. The Frillback, Dust Charger, Scoundrel, the Thorn, another Strider, Human Pirates, Blazing Hope. Alright, so we got Reckless Rage, Aquatic Incursion, Tender Shoe Dryad is our rare. Okay. So, a little green sapling action going on there. Maybe. I mean, it all depends on what we get in the Ixalan packs, really, because like Rivals was good, but Ixalan made the regular Ixalan kind of sealed the set when it came to doing it this way. Sailor of Means, Sun-Curled Raptor, Hardy Veteran, Vampire Revenant, Knight of the Stampede. Oh, we got some fixing. Ooh, some more fixing. Colossal Dreadmaw, that's good for green. Some more green. Swashbucklings, Golden Demise. Oh, we got some more white. Each opponent can't cast instants or sorcery spells during the player's... Okay. Alright, so there's Blessing. Alright, now we get into our Ixalan packs here. See what we got. See what we're going to pull. Alright, so we got Queen's Agent, Books of Buccaneers, Legion's Judgment, Ixalan Keeper, Opt, Jungle Delver, ooh, Ancient Bronodon, there we go. Tishana's Wayfinder, Prime Blade, a lot of green going on here. Okay, maybe might look at some green. Maybe splash green. Ooh, Virgin Sun's Avatar, okay. Yeah, maybe going green might be the way to go. Maybe mono, just push mono green. That's something that I would do. Even though we're got some decent white black, green's looking pretty spicy. All right, let's see what's in our last pack. Fire Shard Keeper, Petrodon Knight, or Pterodon Knight, Blight Keeper, Shipwreck Looter, Commune with Dinosaurs, okay. Contract Killing, cancel. Water Trap Reaver, Hijack, Verdant Rebirth, okay. Fiery Cannonade, all right. Aerosaur, and our rare is Ruin Raider. Black. All right, so that is all the cards in the pack. Let me think about this for a minute. So we've got Paladin of Atonement. Each upkeep, if you lost life to a turn, okay. So some way for us to lose life to make the atonement bigger. I need duplicates. I like playing with some duplicates. No, not a lot. No, actually, I believe in 0 duplicates in our black. What about in our whites? We got any duplicates in our whites? Like common, duplicate, commons, or uncommons? Not that I can. Oh, well, we did get. Yeah, we got the Suncrested Pterodon. Okay. It's not too bad. It's flying. I definitely like flying. What about in our green? Dinosaurs, that's nice. Big beefy dinosaurs are always good. Always like the Colossus, nice Stampede, Tennessee Dryad's pretty sweet. Not a lot of like, I don't know. This is a toughie. Let's see. We definitely got some fixing. We got one Traveler's Amulet for. We got a bunch of these Strider harnesses, so that's pretty good. Definitely a bunch of Strider. Yeah, we got 4 Strider harnesses. Yeah, giving haste and 1/1, not too bad. Anything in red that kind of strikes my fancy? Hijack. I always like Hijack. Pirates Pillage. Under Pirates Pillage. Draw 2 cards, create 2 colorless treasure. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what deck I would make with this. I would probably try to go like a black-white vampire thing, but there's not a ton of them in here. No, there's a little. Yeah, I probably just go like flying. That's probably what I would go punch for. I don't know if I'd play the Mastermind's Acquisition, but no. Search the library for a card, put in your hand, shove your library. You don't have to reveal it, so yeah, not too bad. Chupacabra is pretty nice. I like Chupacabra. That is interesting. Well, let me know what you would all get, or what kind of deck you would make. Like, just, I mean, having a quick peruse through the cards. Obviously, I went kind of fast, but yeah, let you know what colors. If not from this pack of colors, you know, from just like any pack of colors, what are you thinking? What is your idea? What do you want to play as in this kind of? What's your favorite pre-release from Rivals? Anyways. Hope y'all enjoyed, and see you later.